Hey photographers, VSCO's Capture app just went global and they've acquired a pro photography platform to level up your game. Ready to snap stunning shots? Welcome to GadInsider, your hub for the hottest tech news. Let's dive into this VSCO glow up. VSCO announced its Capture app is now available worldwide after a limited launch in Australia, New Zealand, and Ireland. Plus, they've snagged the freelance photographer to empower pros. Want the details? Keep watching. VSCO's Capture app for iPhone is all about aesthetic photography, offering over 50 presets, real-time effects, and manual camera controls. Shoot in RAW or Pro RAW, then sync to VSCO's cloud via the main VSCO app. Note, direct uploads are not supported. Launched globally today, it's perfect for creators chasing that signature VSCO vibe. VSCO also acquired the Freelance Photographer, a platform with workshops for photographers and videographers. CEO Eric Wickman says it fills a gap for business education, offering courses and coaching. $208 per month for basics, $625 per month for premium mentoring. Alongside VSCO Hub, Sites, and Canvas, this move targets pro photographers to build sustainable careers. Capture's global rollout and the freelance photographer acquisition make VSCO a powerhouse for photographers, from hobbyists to pros. With tools for stunning photos and business growth, VSCO's redefining the photography game. Could this be your ticket to pro-level shots and clients? It's a new era for creatives. VSCO's Capture app is live worldwide. Download it on iOS and start snapping. Plus, check out the Freelance Photographer for pro tips. What's your dream VSCO feature? Drop it below. That's the scoop on VSCO's Capture app and pro photography push. Are you hyped to shoot with presets or grow with coaching? Drop your thoughts in the comments. If you love this news, smash that like button, subscribe to GadInsider, and hit the bell icon for more tech updates.